Hello, I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law, and we are debt and credit strategy attorneys. One of the questions that often comes up in a debt strategy session is if we're considering bankruptcy, people are concerned, do I have to go to court? Is someone going to interrogate me? Is there going to be a judge there? Will I have to answer why I filed for bankruptcy? And the short answer to that is no. You do have to go to a meeting called the meeting of creditors, which sounds very ominous, like the creditors are going to show up and line up and ask you lots of questions, but they really don't. Creditors rarely show up at these meetings. This meeting is for the trustee to actually look over your documents, make sure you disclosed everything you were supposed to disclose, and make sure everything is in good order. You're not hiding a second vacation home in Palm Springs, or you forgot to mention that you have a 64 Mustang or something like that. They're looking for stuff that you've missed. So your best bet is to answer their questions very straightforward, yes or no answers. So we prepare our clients very well for the meeting of creditors. We will give you the exact questions they will ask, what your expected answers are based on what we've discussed in our meetings before the hearing and before we filed your case. And it's very short. It's 5 to 10 minutes. In most Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 hearings, these are scheduled every 5 to 10 minutes. So for example, in a 30-minute block, you may have 6 hearings in that room. So you'll walk into a conference room, there will be tons of people in there that are in the same situation you're in. Everyone will get called up. You'll get your 5 minutes of questions, and then the trustee will be all done. It's unlikely that creditors appear, and very rarely do clients ever have to appear in front of a judge for a bankruptcy hearing. So the meeting of creditors is not scary. You are very well prepared when you hire us, and we make sure that you get there, get back, and get done with your bankruptcy as quickly as possible. Thank you for listening. I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law.